Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Nexus CLI node. Make sure your Linux VPS has at least 4 GB RAM, 2 CPU cores, and 50 GB storage. Update your system by running sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade-y. Install the required packages with the code shown on screen. Install Rust by running the provided code and adding cargo to your path. Install the Nexus CLI using the website shown here. Create a login to your Nexus account, then add a new node and copy the node ID. Save the node ID by running the on-screen code. Install screen with sudo apt install screen and start a screen session using screen-s nexus. In the screen session, run the Nexus CLI installer again and link your node by pasting the node ID. Detach the screen session with ctrl+A, then D. Reconnect anytime with screen-r nexus. You can set up Nexus as a systemed service and manage it with the provided code. Monitor your node and its performance on the Nexus dashboard online. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.